In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to relink missing media in Davinci Resolve like a pro. If you've ever opened a project in Davinci Resolve only to find that some of your media files are missing, you know just how frustrating that can be. Fortunately, relinking missing media is a straightforward process once you know how to do it. Let's dive into the steps together, ensuring that you can navigate this process with ease. First, you'll want to make sure you have Davinci Resolve open. Once you're in the app, the next step is to select the project where you're experiencing the missing media issue. When you open Davinci Resolve, you'll see a list of your recent projects. Take some time to locate the project you're working on and click on it to open it. If you're working with a large collection of projects, healthy naming conventions and organization can save you valuable time here. With the project open, navigate to the edit page. This is a crucial step because the edit page is where you can see the timeline and your media files in one place. On the bottom of your screen, you'll notice a set of tabs, each representing different pages in Davinci Resolve. Find the Edit tab, which is usually the second or third option, and click on it. Now that you're in the Edit page, it's time to locate the bulleted Relink Media icon. This icon is typically located in the media pool, which is generally found on the top left of your screen. The media pool contains all the assets you've imported into your project. Clicking the Relink Media icon will bring up a new window where you'll be able to search for the missing files. Now, in the window that pops up, you'll need to direct Davinci Resolve to the folder where your missing media is currently located. Use the File Explorer within Davinci Resolve to navigate to the directory containing your missing media files. Click on the folder and ensure that Resolve has access to where the files are stored, whether locally or on an external drive. After locating the folder, select it and allow Davinci Resolve a moment to scan the contents. This process shouldn't take too long, but the duration can depend on the number of files within the directory. As Davinci Resolve relinks the missing files, you should see them appear back in your timeline, restoring your project to its intended state. And that's it, you've now successfully relinked your media in Davinci Resolve. Practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to repeat these steps until you feel confident. I hope this tutorial has helped you tackle any missing media issues you're encountering. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Happy editing!